Hey everyone, today I'll be designing a love hearts wrapper in Photoshop. First off, let's go to File, New, and we want the in millimeters. So the width is going to be 30 millimeters and the height is going to be 82 millimeters. The resolution is going to be 300 pixels per inch and CMYK color. Let's press create. And let's just unlock the layer by clicking the lock icon. Let's just add a guide. So new guide, horizontal, and the guide will be 57 millimeters. It's okay. So this bottom part is where we're gonna glue it, so we don't really need to worry about it, but it's good practice to put your artwork all the way to the edge, so there's no problems when we're actually printing it. Let's just get a background. I got a background. Yeah, just put that background in there. Let's just make it bigger. I'm holding Alt while I'm making it bigger so it stays proportion. And in the latest Photoshop, it's automatically default. You just have to hold Alt. Before you will have to hold Shift just to make it proportional. Let's put Enter. Now let's put a box around here somewhere. There would be fine. Let's make it white and make the opacity to 80. Today let's just write something simple. Thank you. And we'll just center it. The font is too big. Only reason is because we need to have a little bit clearance on the side, so when we're cutting, if we cut inside we don't cut into the writing. So let's just make it a little bit smaller. Let's just make it 20 points. Yeah, that's perfect. Let's choose a color for the font. Let's make it a little bit darker. It's too dark. There you go. And that's our love heart wrapper done. What I like to do is just make it easier for us to cut it. You don't really need to have to do this part. I like doing it. It's a good practice. Just add a new layer. Fill it in with white. And let's just put a stroke on it. And make it, let's say, 1 pixel. We just about need to see it. And let's make it gray. And press OK. OK. We just need to make the fill 0%. And let's just save this. Save as. Going to, let's put it in my SOD, my desktop. Let's save it as a PDF. And we'll just leave it as, no, let's rename it to Love Hearts. Let's just save it. Save. That's fine. Let's go and find our artwork. So it's here. Let's look at it. That's your artwork done, and you just need to print it. After your artwork is finished, it should look something like this after it's printed. You can see our grey lines where we need to cut it. I have some prepared in advance. Let me just get them. It should look something like this. I'll just get a love heart. To take the wrapper off, it's quite firm. So the glue is very strong, so you have to be careful because you can easily tear the pink foil. So you can see the pink foil is right attached to there. Just be careful, just twist it a little bit. There you go. It should come off pretty easily, and you can see it's underneath the pink foil, so you have to be carefully just rip that off. There you go. And we're just gonna glue behind there on the top right here. When we're attaching the wrapper, you have to make sure it goes underneath the pink foil like it was on the original, and just slowly wrap it around and make sure it's firm and tight around the sweet, and just line it up with the other edge and press firmly, and it should look like something like this, and that's your love hearts done.